right ventricle, the left atrium.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Stephanie Duggan, the Ascension St. Mary's and Northern Ministries Hospital CEO and an ER doc by training. I just wanted to say what a privilege it was to sponsor and participate in the Saginaw STEM event today about the heart and the circulation. It was such great joy to see more than 100 kids here learning about the heart, learning about what it takes and how the closed system works, and anything that we can do to encourage our young people to see medicine as a career is something that Ascension St. Mary's is privileged to be a part of.
Then it goes to the left ventricle. Left ventricle.
I learned that blood comes from the right atrium, goes down to the right ventricle, goes to the lungs, then it's oxygenated, then it becomes red, then it goes up from the left ventricle to the left atrium, then it goes out to your body.
I have cheesecakes at school, and it's really yummy.
I learned about a heart, and we touched one. We figured out all the pieces to it and how it works, and we made one.
This was an absolute pleasure to work with the kids. It really was nice to see them learn about their own bodies, see how their bodies work, especially the pride that they took in working with their hands and creating things that were similar to how their bodies work. They had great questions, they were entertained, and most importantly, I think they were inspired to do this one day. A lot of them had not met a female physician or a female surgeon, and so I'm happy that a lot of them saw for themselves this is a future possibility, and it was an absolute pleasure to be here.